Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to log out Imo from all devices remotely. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Imo and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on settings, tap on account and security and tap on manage devices, and here you'll find all those devices which are activated on your account. And now tap on the account you want to remove remotely, and after tapping on the account or device, tap on delete, and after that to delete the device you'll need to verify your phone number. So you'll get a verification code, your phone number. All you have to do is just verify your phone number using the verification code, and after that you'll be able to remove any device remotely, and you'll need to do these one by one. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.